The Pathways to Knowledge model of information processing identifies 6 stages that students go through when learning to process information. They are appreciation, pre-search, search, interpretation, communication, and evaluation. More information on this can be found in the Technology as Facilitator of Quality Education model. The students in this high school French class are working on a WebQuest project entitled Le Tour de France. The students use the internet to follow the route of the Tour de France bicycle race. As they learn about the Tour de France, they are also learning about the geography, history, and culture of France. The teacher introduces the students to the WebQuest, showing them websites they can visit to complete the project. The students demonstrate the pre-search stage of information processing as they explore general sources of information.
You can actually just type in any town in France and hit search, and it will give you hopefully an email address, but if it does not, if they don't have email, internet access, and some of the towns that we're going to be visiting for our Tour de France are very, very small towns up in the Alps, and you would not be able to find out any information. You probably need to close out of it and then start it up again. So that was the problem you're in. Yeah.
I'll just go to that website.
The students are divided into small groups. Each group forms a tour company trying to promote and sell a trip to France to prospective customers. To help promote their trip, each group has to create a PowerPoint presentation and a travel brochure. The students in each group work together to define their information needs, divide up their tasks, and build background information for their research.
Which ones did you have?
Oh, I don't care. Okay, wait. Who's gonna do like the extra?
I'll do the what? Oh, you can do an extra. You'll do a slide. I'll do the history. Okay. I'll just research that, and then I'll just do 6.
Okay, and then I'll do 7.
Okay.
I'll take the title.
So your brochure and title slide. Okay.
And it might be helpful if we just like to make it more visual. If we just find a map, you know, and then.
Oh, we found a map.
Okay.
Like,
you have
2 minutes ago. Yeah, I have it and we saved it.
Okay, we should print it out maybe, and then we can like plan it out, and then it'll make more sense.
Yeah. Okay.
Students cooperatively search using both internet and library sources to locate information about the small towns along the route of the Tour de France. They plan a search strategy to find relevant information.
Stage map and info.
Thanks.
Stage info. There it is.
It's a very good map. It's got everything in
We
it.
could use that on our slides.
We
That would be
should.
good to use on the sides.
Save image as Tour
Oh, it's okay. It's fine.
de France map. Save it.
Let's go, buddy.
That will be used in the future.
Did you save it?
We saved it. Oh yes.
We have it. Good.
The teacher has asked the students to record information by saving text, images, and internet addresses to a Word document. This information will be used to create their presentations, brochures, and bibliographies. These activities engage the students in the search stage of information processing.
Yeah. We will use the one that would be like, I talked to the people in the library, and they said we should do it like a magazine. All right, so we are going to look at the magazine right here, and that's how they do it. Okay?
The students demonstrate the interpretation stage of information processing as they put all their information together for their brochures and presentations. The teacher demonstrates inspiration software to the students. This concept mapping software helps students organize their information for their brochures and presentations.
Let's just go to outline form up there over to that side. Click on outline. and you see that it will break it down as an outline. So you can go to outline form, you can go back to diagram form, you can go back and forth. You could add subtopics in outline form, and then it would also diagram it for you.
The students use concept mapping software to determine themes and patterns in their research. They engage in critical thinking as they integrate concepts and synthesize various areas of inquiry. Students work in small teams to organize, apply, and present new knowledge through a PowerPoint presentation. They also express ideas through creating and designing a travel brochure for prospective tourists. They edit and revise their work to make their ideas clear and concise.
So what do you think you need? I mean, what do we need?
No more pictures. Yeah,
We need pictures. And what else?
Where's the second page? Alright, okay, that's the first page.
Oh, here's your title.
Okay. Okay, we have what else? Maybe here, do we want to talk a little bit about the trip?
I don't know if we should delete words and add pictures because I don't think we should add any more words.
No, I mean, delete all this stuff on this.
Sure.
Yeah, and then say this is how much it's going to cost. You can see these things, you're in France for 21 days, and we can embed a picture.
So you want me to delete this?
Yeah, sure.
The students' research culminates in the sharing of new knowledge as students present their PowerPoint presentations and travel brochures to the class. The students select the group that has the best presentation to broadcast their project to a French class at a different school via the Iowa Communications Network, a statewide fiber optic telecommunications network. These activities demonstrate the communication stage of information processing.
92 minutes et 8 secondes.
The teacher guides the students through the evaluation stage of information processing as she facilitates a class discussion about the final projects and presentations. The students check for effective communication and evaluate their end product. This assessment encourages students to become independent learners as they reflect on what they have accomplished and what they might change in the future for similar projects.
What made a good presentation?
Eye contact.
Eye contact. All right. Explain. Eye contact meaning?
You weren't always looking down.
Okay, so you look up at your audience a little more. What else? Change of voice. Okay, so we're talking about the person speaking, right? What about the slides?
Technology.
The technology. Well, how did the technology help?
It helps a lot to make everything much easier and much better.
Make it easier and better? How better?
Like you can understand more explanation.
Okay.
You can,
Okay.
Yeah, the pictures help a lot.
Pictures help. Okay, yes?
I think it helps use a PowerPoint because then if you don't quite understand everything they're saying, you can still get an idea because they had that, thought or whatever, the small part down.
Okay.